So I have a question that I often ask prospective clients about their IT support, which is, how do you feel about your cybersecurity stance? And sometimes the answer is, well, we've got antivirus software or a firewall, or what I think of, frankly, as basics, right? And the next question I pose is, and it is more of a technical question, how does antivirus prevent your accounts payable person from inadvertently wire transferring maybe $40,000 to whom they thought was your customer, right? When it comes to cybersecurity and the protections and the things that we're doing as an IT and a cyber-focused company, it's not just about antivirus software. It's not just about firewalls. Those things were important 10 years ago. What's important now is things like two-factor authentication, so the bad guys cannot get into your email or your systems. And it's things like cybersecurity, education, and awareness so that your team is educated and aware of the methods and the ways that bad guys could get in that has nothing to do with the protections that we can put in place, like I mentioned, of the inadvertent wire transfer. So it's super important when you're looking at IT companies to really look for a cyber-focused company that will put in these protections and prevention mechanisms for you as an organization to keep your organization safe.